Hey, this is Jordy, aka RV Tour Guy, and today we're going to be making a video about one of the best, newest 2025 Super C motorhomes on the market. This is from one of my favorite brands, Entegra Motor Coach. Today we're looking at the all-new redesigned 2025 Entegra Accolade 37k. It's one of the best-selling floor plans. It's a bath and a half Super C under 40 feet. Let's go take a look at this beautiful RV. This motorhome is going to be on the S2 RV Freightliner custom chassis. It's going to offer the 6.7 diesel engine. It's going to have 360 horsepower and about 800 foot-pounds of torque. You're going to have aluminum wheels on this motor coach, big 275 tires on this unit, Michelin throughout the whole RV. One of the most expensive parts about this motorhome is that one-piece fiberglass front cap that Entegra is known for. It's to prevent any leaking throughout those ends, and this one deletes a lot of seams that most motorhomes will have, making it one of the most expensive parts of this RV. Since we're talking about fiberglass, this also has a one-piece fiberglass roof, which is something that Entegra does in this RV throughout their whole product line, so it's very awesome. And since we're talking about stuff that Entegra does really well, let's not forget about the 2-year and 3-year warranty. Jayco/Entegra Coach are the only manufacturers that offer a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, no questions asked, and a 3-year structural warranty. That's how you know this product stands behind what they build. So now that we got that out the way, those are some of the main key points on the Entegra. Let's talk about the Easy Drive Premier. This is going to come standard on this unit. It's going to have rear airbags, air suspension on the rear and front. It's going to handle really great. This is an upgrade from your traditional Super Cs. That's something that's nice when you get into these highline diesel motorhomes, is having air brakes, airbags. You're also going to have an exhaust brake on this unit, so that's going to help slowing you down, which is really nice. This is a full body paint, which is really neat for 2025. It's all new, beautiful aesthetic in my opinion. I love the blue, gray, and white. Really neat. You're also going to have an outside kitchen or outside TV entertainment on this unit. You do have a LP quick connect on this coach if you wanted to bring a barbecue grill or griddle. For 25, they updated these windows, so these are new frameless windows for 25. We'll see what they look like on the inside. Before I go on the outside too much, let's go take a look inside the inside, because I know that's what you guys are here to see. So when you walk in, you have these 3 steps and you get into this coach, and check out this beautiful layout. All the lighting, all the ambiance. This is all new for 2025. Those are the built-in windows I was telling you about. So they're dual shades. You have a day shade and a night shade. If you wanted to crack open that window to let some airflow in, you definitely can. Really nice. You even have the galley window there. Let me close this door real quick. When you get inside the coach, you're going to be open to this beautiful L-shaped kitchen. You have a one-piece or one stainless steel sink, really nice farmhouse style. You have induction cooktop, which is nice. This unit is going to be on the newest Freightliner chassis out right now, so that's going to be you can tell by how this cab looks. You're going to have that wood grain feel. You're going to have the nice Sony upgraded monitor. You're going to have the digital dash or digital gauge on the cluster. Nice leatherette Freightliner steering wheel. With Entegra, they add this nice weather matting across, and then they upgraded the furniture also to this nice leatherette furniture. Entegra is known for adding this huge windshield up front. It's an automotive styled windshield. They install it the same way they would a vehicle. Very nice. You also have an electric shade to bring it up and down. This unit will sleep an additional 2 guests. Has a weight rating of 750 pounds. This unit is going to also have some of the coolest technologies out right now. Like this multiplex system, less wires, very efficient. There is an integrated app you can download so you can control the systems that I'm going to show you. But yeah, you have a master light switch. You can check the gauges of refresh gray black tanks. You're going to have you know, check the battery status, run your generator. It's going to also have auto gen start, which is a great feature on this motorhome. It'll kick on your generator automatically. You're going to have dimming switches throughout all the lighting with the arrows indicated there. You're going to have 2 ACs with 1 heat pump in the front and just a nice cool AC in the rear. You have fans throughout the coach. You have your awning slide out buttons here, which you can control all through a mobile app. So that's really neat. Real wood cabinets throughout the coach, which makes it very stunning, homey feel. So lots of pantry space in this RV. This is one of the more popular RV layouts. This is the 37k. So this RV layout is going to have a bath and a half. So you're going to be able to use one of the toilets while going down the road, which is really nice without having to open and close a slide out. This unit's also going to have this residential refrigerator. This is really nice. Double doors with a built-in ice maker. I can't tell you how many people bring ice on board. Nice stainless steel conventional microwave also. Beautiful, beautiful cabinetry throughout. A lot of drawers everywhere. So really nice. You'll be surprised how much food you can actually bring with you. It's a ton. You have the solid surface countertops with the cover located there for right now. Lots of drawer space everywhere. Really stunning RV. What makes this floor plan super unique is having these 3 power recliner couch, which is nice. That's new. This unit's also going to have all the upgraded / updated accents throughout the backsplash. So this is real tile. You have a nice built-in fireplace, nice 40-inch TV there. Let me show you these shades real quick before I move on to the bathroom. But you have your day shades, you have your screens. So that's on every window for 2025. Super nice, very stunning. You have a nice clock there, comes from the factory. And then check out these cabinets inside the bath and a half. So a lot of room. You have a porcelain toilet, built-in shade. You also have a vent cover out there, so you can, you know, release some of the gases. You have your nice medicine cabinet there, stainless steel sink, and more space for a trash can. Real wood throughout the RV. This unit's gonna have a bed incline. So there's a button to bring the bed flat when you're using it. When you're driving, you have to have the bed tilted up. So it's a king bed. It's a huge bed. This is on a full wall slide. You have windows on each end. You also have the lights there, and here's the switch. Now it does get a little tight whenever this is, you know, fully out. They didn't add a slide out here. Maybe that's something they can do for the future models, but you know, if it ain't broke, why fix it? You know, maybe a lot of people aren't commenting on that. You have hanging space there, tons of windows throughout, which is super nice. You have built-in drawers everywhere. And how can this be a luxury RV without a washer and dryer? So this unit is going to come with the, you know, Whirlpool dryer and washer machine for your full-time needs. Do the essentials inside your RV, which is really nice. You don't have to go anywhere if you don't want to. You also have a built-in TV, 2 AC units, and then you have your bathroom here in the rear. Nice window again, another fan up top, medicine cabinet, and more storage. This unit does not have a shortage of storage. This is a great RV. You're in a nice quality throughout the whole unit. Big shower base. Really roomy. That's winter. We just had a freeze here in Houston, so that's a lot of antifreeze because we winterized all of our motorhomes, so we don't have any issues. But yeah, what do you guys think of this 2025 Entegra Accolade 37k? Now, people are asking, what's the price? What's the price? It is going to be under 300,000. I will have to verify show pricing, but if you're interested in getting the best price on the market contact Jordy Hernandez, aka RV Tour Guy. My cell is 281-716-0338. I'm here to serve. Let me know if there's any questions you have. Also, I am doing a free giveaway. If you are in the Houston area and you want to attend the Houston RV show, please comment down RV show for a chance to get two free tickets to get into the Houston show from February 12th to the 16th. Comment down below while supplies last. But again, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to RV Tour Guy. Let me know, what do you think, if this RV is worth the money or not? Give me a call / let me know down below in the comments. Have a blessed day.